Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from La Hueva. Today I bring you an unboxing of one of the best-selling smartwatches on TEMU. Yes, you heard it right. I decided to buy this budget-friendly smartwatch you see right here, all thanks to the crazy amount of ads I've been seeing lately. So I finally gave in, tried out the platform and made my first purchase. As you can see, the price is super affordable, especially considering that where I live, these types of watches are usually way more expensive. I went through the reviews, the user photos, I checked everything, single spec list, and all of that really got my attention. So here it is. This is the box. The smartwatch is called the J13 and the app it uses is now showing on screen, and we see how sleek and beautiful this thing is. First we get the user manual. Look, it actually comes with two straps. Okay, here are the bands, and I have to say the texture feels pretty good. They are soft and flexible and look great. This one has notches all over, so it's fully adjustable, so it can be adjusted super easily. The second is more of a classic look, very similar to others we have reviewed in this channel. Now the pin system here is different. They don't pop out, they slide in, which is pretty cool. Let's check out the charger. It's not your typical one. It's a lock-in feature and uses pins. I actually really like that. And now here it is, the famous J13 smartwatch. We have attached the straps and now it's time for the best part, peeling off the plastic. This is so satisfying. Whoa! Let's start it on, okay? So that looks super good, and it's actually pretty different from the smartwatch we have usually reviewed in this channel. This one doesn't have a crown or well, so we can scroll like you normally would. Here's one of the built-in watches faces. I personally love this one. It shows your steps, calories and more. It's got a sporty look and it's beautiful. Check out the chrome finish, looks so polished and premium. It even has a little animation and no lag at all. The refresh rate seems pretty solid. Let's try the transition. Yep, smooth. Let's check out the other menus. Whoa, this one, okay, this one looks like the classic bubble layout. It has multiple layouts. Seriously, this is gorgeous. Let's explore more. Here we have got shortcut settings and it even has an SOS mode. Super nice. Let's swipe here. This shows more quick access options. Here's messages, and here you can see all recent access apps. Look at that, it even has a calculator. Yes, it actually works. There are fitness modes, a lot of different styles and sports options. Let me go a bit slower here so you can see them all. It's just awesome. Okay, now the heart rate sensors, it activates when you start measuring. Let's hit start. Okay, I'm getting a heart rate of 82 BPM. Now I wouldn't say this is medical grade accurate, but for an estimate it worked just fine. Overall, I really like the look and feel of the watch. It's got a polished finished, responsive UI, and tons of features for the price. And that's for today's video. If this unboxing helps you out or enjoyed it, give it a like, comment below and share it with someone. That's all for now. Take care and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.